Are you planning to rent a car soon? It's important to understand the various coverage options available to protect yourself from financial risks in case of accidents or damages. Let's dive into the key coverage options you might encounter when renting a car. Rental companies often offer Collision Damage Waiver, CDW, and Loss Damage Waiver, LDW, to cover damage to the rental vehicle, but it's essential to be aware that they typically come with deductibles. These waivers can provide peace of mind, but it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. In addition to CDW, LDW, there's Supplemental Liability Insurance, SLI, that extends coverage to third-party injuries or property damage. Other options like personal accident insurance, PAI, personal effects coverage, and roadside assistance can also provide valuable protection during your rental period. Before making a decision on additional coverage, review your existing insurance policies and credit card benefits to avoid redundant coverage. Understanding the terms, conditions, and potential overlaps of each coverage option is crucial for making informed decisions and ensuring you're adequately protected during your rental period.